Meaning of giantess.
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 Giantess. Giantess refers to a female giant, often depicted in mythology and folklore as being significantly larger than regular humans. These beings are usually portrayed as powerful and imposing figures, capable of feats beyond human ability. The term giantess can also be used to describe fictional characters in literature or media who possess superhuman strength or size. In popular culture, the concept of giantesses has been explored in various forms, from fantasy novels to comic books and movies. Overall, the term giantess carries connotations of size, strength, and awe-inspiring power.